what's up guys, Ray here, excited to share with you guys. I'm gonna be uploading videos each and every other week, and yeah, I'm gonna try, brother. I'm gonna try and really just upload like every 2 days, at least every 2 days. Still quarantining at home, enjoying my time at home. Stay safe, stay at home, guys. And yeah, this is my first video, and this is how I make my smoothies daily. Alright, guys, all the info down below. Subscribe. Let me know how you guys make your smoothies. And yeah, alright, guys. Cheers.